Ndaro twageze muzunzu ubumwe za Amerika nabwo ntari kuburwa bakubitiya abusha akira yariyo
Salut les amis, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. My name is WaKera and today is a beautiful day. And today I have something special for you guys. Today I have to shoot an interview with Bruce Melodie at the 1:55 a.m. offices. So today I want to vlog the day and show you how it's gonna go. Uyu munsi ni umunsi mwiza, ndashaka uyu munsi kubereka uko umunsi uri bugende kuko mfite gushutinga interview na Bruce Melodie muri headquarters za 1:55 a.m. So stay tuned with me. Yeah. I am at the office with my G Dan. Yeah.
Oh, what up? You good? What's poppin'? Everything fine? You know what I'm saying.
He's just a crazy guy, you know. You have to bear with him. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm watching some YouTube, also editing some video. Yeah. Ndi kubatsamo uyu nguyu ni Dani, uyu nguyu this guy.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Alexis Kayinamura. Dan Héritier. It's my dog.
Nice to meet you
It's
guys.
my fucking dog. This guy is my fucking dog. Okay, so we're going for lunch. Tujye kwifata neza. Tuba tumeze neza kuri 4K, 8K, whatever. Type shit.
Fita amafaranga.
Menshi cyane.
No money bro.
Aba basore bose nijye ubasohokanye. Ngiye kubatsamo. Yeah. No, reka tubereke ukuntu ikirere kimeze. Ikirere kimeze gutya. Ni blue sky. Blue sky. Ariko ngo iki kibanza ni icyande muri
Cyasi na Gerard.
Ni cyasi na Gerard.
Mufatanyije.
Uri umufatanya bikorwa.
Hold on, bro. The interview is taking place.
Umufatanya bikorwa. Yeah. Reka tujye kurya. Reka namamaze. Reka mbamamarize. Okay. Yeah, hano tuje kurya ibiryo bya Kinyarwanda. Tuje kurya ibiryo bya Kinyarwanda. Tuntu tujyanye n'amadegede. Tuntu tujyanye n'amadegede n'utuntu hajya n'intuza. Imyumbati, tuntu cy'imyumbati, ivungure, tuntu nko
None umuntu yakongera ku mafanta arimo anarize. Finally baby.
So, ukuntu ibintu bimeze, abasore bumaze kubatsamo bameze neza. Irimo irareba hejuru. Rwandan food.
Ibintu by'igikommando.
Igikomando. Ibi. Ibintu by'amafiriti n'amadegede. Dore amadegede. Dore umusore hariya barimo aranyinyira n'agacapati. Man, you're a cotton cameraman. I told you he's crazy, and so
Now you have it.
Speedy gang.
ngaho muryoherwe rero.
Thank you.
Hakuri video izajya he?
batari kuri YouTube
Niho
Kandi
honyine.
ariho.
Salut encore, ubu ngubu ndimo ndapakira ni unpacking. Ubu ngubu ndimo ndaranja ibikoresho byose ndi bukenere, amakamera, amakarita na soundi, n'ibindi, amatara, kugira ngo igihe cyo kugenda nze kuba ndi tayari, kugira ngo singire ikintu nibagirwa ko ngere kuri field meze neza. So twagiye. Okay, so hello guys. This is Alexis Kainamura and me, WaKera. Tugiye muri -1 sure. Turi bujye kuri ground.
tumusize umushoferi tumusize hejuru.
Let's go. Pe mbi cyane. Umusaza wakoze business agapfa business igakomeza ikamukorera uriya wa KFC. Umusaza yari umusirikare ngo aritayarinze rero atangira ibintu byo kujya yitekera inkoko ze rero azitetse abantu batangira kuzikunda.
itandukanye n'umubare umwe
neza dufate ibumoso bwayo ku gataje hari igipangu kiri hagati ni kimeze nka rompuwe
ni ugusunika itajya kwitsimba. Ikiwenda so we are at 155. Alexis waruyobye. Nahindukiza nse gato. Bahindukiza nta ribi.
ya gushyira So, Bruce, welcome to the New Times. We're very pleased to have you. You've been chasing this interview for a while. Now we're happy to have you.
Yeah, thank you for having me. What's up, everybody? Bruce Melodie here.
Yeah. So, we're going to have a long conversation. You have done a few interviews locally, particularly this year. You've been in America, in Kenya, maybe Uganda, I don't remember. So, I want to take you back. How was it 2023? You've had amazing successes, performing at bigger stages, locally, internationally. How would you describe your 2023?
Yeah, what I can say, we started with a big event in WaKera. I think it was EAP. That's usually the first event which happens every year. So it was a success event. And then I recorded a lot of songs. I performed, as you mentioned, I recorded a lot of songs and I performed on a bigger stage such as Global Citizen, Giants of Africa. Yeah, a lot happened. But you know, life is ups and downs. Yeah. But so far, what I can say about 2023 was a good year, and I had so much fun with my fans, my family. I lost my grandma. That was part of it. That was the part of the year 2023 that I will not forget. But yeah, life goes on.
Speaking of ups and downs, I remember it's the same year you met His Excellency
Yeah.
Kagame. So how was the experience? How did it come?
Yeah, it was in Chance of Africa?
For Chance of Africa.
I don't really remember, but it's one of the big events.
Yeah.
So I was in backstage after my performance. I was sweating, and then I saw one guy. He's not even Rwandese. He's maybe a Ghanaian. And he was like, "Who is Bruce Melodie? Where is Bruce Melodie?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm here." I was doing an interview, but we had to stop the interview because he was like, "It's very much, we need him." And I was like, "What's going on? What's up?" And he told me, "Mr. President wants to meet you." And it was an event, but there was some basketball things. So I thought maybe it's not His Excellency Paul Kagame, it's someone else. And I asked him, who did you mention? He was like, I said, Mr. President wants to meet you. So we went there. To be honest, I was shaking, meeting His Excellency. It was like a dream. To me, it was like a dream coming true because everyone who lived in this country, he knows that it's not that easy meeting Paul Kagame himself. It's not for everyone because he's a busy person, and also he's a president. He's not just a person like any other person you can meet. So it was the greatest moment, and I still have that picture in the video. I feel like I need to see that every day so I can feel like, Bruce Melodie, you met this guy. You don't need to disappoint any of your fans, especially your country. He was not there. So I didn't know, when we discussed that with Shaggy, I couldn't believe that will happen. Like, that would be doable. But he told me, no, I'm going to do my part. I'll shoot it, you will go live on the stage. For me, I'll be on the screen, and that will be perfect. So I introduced the idea to the Trace team. They were like, yeah, that's doable, let's do this. That's the thing I've never thought about. I was like, if this is possible, then we can even shoot a song. We can, it was a very great opportunity to learn and to get to know some other things we didn't know. I never performed in front of white people, like the full house white people. I was very scared, and I was like, what is it going to happen? We went to do the sound check, and that was cool. Everything said, these people are like always like this. So the time of performance came. Of course, Shaggy started his part with his other music he performed, and then the time came to introduce me. I have to pick this one. Hello, Eleeeh.
Ukuteye no kusabira ngaragura. Je suis vraiment fou de toi. Amaso yanjye niwo wareba. Urukundo wampaye rumara kwifuza. Kandi sinicuza. Je te promets mon bébé to satisfy you. You.
Watubigena akantu ko gukacinga iyi interview tuteguza y'abantu.
Agatiza.
Noneho twageze muzunze ubumwe za Amerika. Ntabwo yari kubona bakubitiye. Abusha.
Akira yariyo.
It's como assim.